Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we're diving into the world of charming rustic farmhouse veranda designs. We'll show you how to transform even the smallest verandas into cozy, inviting spaces using rustic decor and smart gardening techniques. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a small backyard patio, you'll find plenty of inspiration here. Rustic farmhouse decor is all about embracing simplicity and natural materials, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Let's get started and discover how you can bring this charming style to your own veranda. First up, let's talk about vertical gardens. Vertical gardens are an excellent way to maximize space in a small veranda. By growing plants upwards instead of outwards, you can create a lush, green oasis without taking up much floor space. For a rustic touch, use wooden pallets or old ladders to mount your plants. These can be easily found at flea markets or even repurposed from old furniture. Succulents, ivies, and herbs work wonderfully in vertical gardens, adding both beauty and functionality to your space. Imagine stepping out onto your veranda and being greeted by a wall of green, bringing life and vibrancy to your outdoor area. Not only do vertical gardens save space, but they also add a unique, eye-catching element to your decor. Next, let's explore rustic planter arrangements. Using a variety of planters can add character and charm to your veranda. Think old wooden crates, vintage metal buckets, and ceramic pots. Arrange them in clusters for a more organic look. Mix and match sizes and shapes to create visual interest. Flowers, herbs, and small shrubs are perfect for these rustic containers, bringing life and color to your small space. Imagine a corner of your veranda filled with a collection of different planters, each with its own unique plant. This not only looks beautiful, but also allows you to create different micro-environments for various plants, ensuring they thrive. Adding a few trailing plants can also enhance the rustic charm, giving your veranda a lived-in, cozy feel. When it comes to small spaces, less is often more. Opt for a few well-chosen plants that make a statement. Consider larger rustic planters with eye-catching plants like ficus, lavender, or even small fruit trees. These not only add greenery, but also create a focal point in your veranda. Remember, the goal is to keep it simple, yet impactful. Large planters can act as anchors in your design, providing structure and balance. By focusing on a few significant plants, you avoid clutter and maintain a clean, serene space. Additionally, plants like lavender add a lovely fragrance, enhancing the sensory experience of your veranda. Think of your veranda as an extension of your living space, where every element serves both an aesthetic and functional purpose. Furniture plays a crucial role in making your veranda both functional and stylish. Look for multifunctional pieces that save space and add to the rustic charm. A wooden bench with built-in storage is perfect for keeping gardening tools or outdoor cushions. Foldable tables and chairs are great options too, as they can be easily stored when not in use. Vintage trunks or repurposed wooden crates can also double as seating and storage. Imagine sitting on a comfy bench, surrounded by greenery, with all your gardening essentials neatly tucked away underneath. This not only keeps your veranda tidy, but also maximizes your use of space. Multifunctional furniture is all about combining practicality with style, ensuring your veranda is both beautiful and efficient. Lighting can completely transform your veranda, making it feel warm and inviting. Rustic lighting options like lanterns, string lights, and solar-powered lamps add a cozy ambience. Hang fairy lights across the top of your veranda, or place lanterns on tables and along pathways. This not only provides light, but also enhances the rustic aesthetic. Imagine your veranda bathed in a soft, warm glow as the sun sets, creating the perfect setting for relaxing or entertaining guests. Solar-powered lamps are an eco-friendly option, providing beautiful lighting without increasing your energy bills. By strategically placing different types of lighting, you can highlight specific areas and create a layered, welcoming atmosphere. Adding a water feature can bring a sense of tranquility to your veranda. Even in small spaces, you can incorporate rustic water elements like tabletop fountains or small barrel water features. The sound of trickling water is incredibly soothing and adds a refreshing element to your outdoor space. Pair your water feature with aquatic plants like water lilies for an extra touch of nature. Imagine sitting on your veranda, listening to the gentle sound of water, surrounded by lush greenery. This creates a peaceful, meditative space where you can unwind and connect with nature. Water features also attract birds and other wildlife, adding an element of dynamism and life to your veranda. To complete the look, don't forget the decorative elements. Rustic signs, vintage tools, and antique ornaments can add personality and charm to your veranda. Think old farm tools hung on the wall, a wooden sign with a welcoming message, or a vintage watering can used as a planter. These small touches make your space feel unique and truly yours. Adding personal items like family heirlooms or handmade crafts can also enhance the cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Every decorative element tells a story, adding depth and character to your veranda. By incorporating these items thoughtfully, you create a space that reflects your personality and feels like an extension of your home. To wrap things up, transforming your small veranda into a charming rustic farmhouse retreat is all about smart use of space and thoughtful decor. Vertical gardens, rustic planters, multifunctional furniture, ambient lighting, soothing water features, and personal decorative touches can all come together to create a cozy, inviting space. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and can't wait to see how you transform your own veranda. Remember, the key is to blend functionality with style, creating a space that is both beautiful and practical. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more home design tips and inspiration. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.